In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a strikethrough. Strikethrough is a simple formatting tool that draws a line through your text. It's perfect for marking tasks as done, showing edits without deleting words, or keeping a record of changes while still letting others read what was originally there. The process is quick, and once you've done it a couple of times, it will feel completely natural. Start by opening your document in an editor that shows a menu bar at the top of the window. You'll use that menu in just a moment. Before you can apply the strikethrough, you need to tell the software exactly which text you want to affect. To do that, highlight your word. Click and drag across the exact word or phrase you want to mark. If you prefer a faster selection, double-click a word to select it in one move. Be precise here. If you include an extra space or punctuation mark by accident, that character will also get the line through it. If your text is small, zoom in briefly so you can select it cleanly. You can highlight as little as a single letter or as much as a full sentence. The formatting will only apply to what you've selected. With the text highlighted, look up to the menu bar. Click Format, then hover over Text and choose Strikethrough. That's Format Text Strikethrough. As soon as you click it, a horizontal line appears through your selection. If you don't see the option working, it usually means nothing is selected. Just make sure your text is still highlighted and try again. Also, if the strikethrough option looks grayed out, reselect your text and confirm you're in the right menu path. Take a moment to scan your document and make sure the strikethrough is exactly where you want it. If you change your mind, run the same command again on the same selection to remove the line. In many editors, this works like a toggle. You can repeat the process on other words or phrases as needed. For larger edits, highlight a full sentence or paragraph first, then apply the same format, text, strike-through path to handle it all at once. That's all there is to it. Highlight your word, then go to Format Text Strike-through. With this simple technique, you can keep your writing clear, organized, and easy to review without permanently deleting anything. Practice it a couple of times, and soon you'll be able to apply strike-through confidently whenever you need it.